Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last class, we had discussed about a determinant topic. Under that, how to find out the determinant value with the help of 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 matrices. Out of those matrices, the determinant is hold only for a square matrices. But if the matrices of different order, then the determinant will not hold. That's why a determinant of a matrix holds only for a square matrices, either 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, like that. But in your syllabus, we have only two matrices, mainly 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3. But determinant of a matrix of order 1 cross 1 is a number itself. That's the point we have discussed in the last classes, and we have discussed some of the important problems of the category of 1 mark we have discussed. Now today's class we will take some of the problems which are based on how to find out a determinant value with the help of some methods. I will take one of the determinant as evaluate. Example, evaluate delta is equal to 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha sin alpha 0 minus sin beta. After that, minus cos alpha sin beta. After that, 0. Dear students, what we have to find out? The determinant value we have to find out with the help of methods. You know in the last classes. Solution delta is equals to, you write directly, you have to take the determinant value of this, which is 3 cross 3 determinant or 3 cross 3 matrix. You have to find out this determinant value with the help of determinant of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. First of all, a 0. First you write it as 0 into this row and this column we have to eliminate, where element 0 is present. What are the values? 0, sin beta minus sin beta 0. Correct? This is the value. After that, this place is plus minus place. You write it as minus sin alpha minus sin alpha. You have to eliminate this column and this row. Values are minus sin alpha sin beta. After that, cos alpha 0 cos alpha 0. After that, here there will be a minus, but place is plus place. Plus minus plus into minus cos alpha. Values are nothing but minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha minus sin beta, which is equals to 0. 0 into 0 is 0, minus is there, 0 into 0 AD BC is AD minus BC. 0 into 0 is 0 minus sin square beta. Correct? Minus sin square beta. Just to observe, 0 into 0 is 0. Minus is the formula minus of minus, that is minus sin square beta 0. Minus sin alpha here 0 into sin alpha is 0 minus sin beta cos alpha. Plus into minus is minus cos alpha minus of minus is plus sin alpha sin beta minus 0. 0 into cos alpha is 0. What are the values? Whatever the value, 0 into minus of minus is plus sin square beta minus sin alpha into minus sin beta cos alpha After that, minus cos alpha into sin alpha sin beta. Sin alpha sin beta. Whatever the values, this value is 0. After that, minus or minus plus becomes sin alpha cos alpha sin beta. Sin alpha cos alpha sin beta minus sin alpha cos alpha sin beta. Correct? These values are dead opposite because of the different signs. First is plus, there will be minus, plus and minus they are cancelled out. The result should be 0. Therefore delta is equal to 0. But there will be no compulsion that the delta value itself is 0. It may be some finite number because determinant is a number. Sometimes determinant is a polynomial or function, correct? Or monomial, like that. But this type of problems are very, very important for category of 2 marks evaluate. Delta is equal to 0. Next we move towards another example. We will solve. Answer is 0. After that, very important example for category of 1 marks. Important category is find x. Find x for which? Find x for which? Determinant 3x x1 which is equals to 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. Just to observe, this is the problem where our job is to find a value of x. But this type of problems are very, very important for the category of 1 mark in the main exam. But what we have to find out? X we have to find out. We have to use the definition or some construction of determinant of a matrix of order 2 cross 2. What it tells, just to observe solution. Given 3x x1 which is equals to 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1, which implies, correct? A, B, C, D, AD minus BC. You know in the last class. A, B, C, D, AD minus BC. A, B, C, D, AD minus BC. That's why what I am taking is 3 into 1. 3 into 1 minus x into x, which is equals to 3 into 1 minus 2 into 4, which implies 3 minus x square. 3x square which is equal to 3 minus 8. 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 4 is 8. 3 get close, correct? Which implies x square is equal to 8. This minus close, correct? 3 get close, x square is equal to 8. What is the value of x square? Which implies x square is equal to x square is equal to 8, which implies x is equal to plus or minus root 8, which is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 into 2. 4 into 2, which is nothing but plus or minus 2 root 2. Plus or minus 2 root 2. This is the values where we are going to take with the help of determinant ideas. Correct? With the help of determinant ideas. This problem is very, very important. Means this type of problems are important for category of 1 mark. Then we will move towards one of the exercise problem, that is 4.1. Exercise 4.1 we are going to solve one by one. First one. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. First one, evaluate 2 minus 5, 4 minus 1. 2 minus 5, 4 minus 1. Solution. Delta is equal to 2, 4 minus 5 minus 1, which implies delta is equals to 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 5. The students, look at the entries. It is very difficult while in the absent minded. Correct? If you are having the absent minded, then it becomes wrong because it carries only one more question in the main exam. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1. Yes, 2 into minus 1. Formula minus 4 is a positive value. 4 into minus 5 is a negative value. Take again bracket, which implies 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. After that, minus of minus is plus, minus of minus plus, 4 into 5 is 20, which is nothing but 18. Answer is 18. 20 minus 2. Answer is 18. This type of problems are simple, but if we are perfect with the sum, board marks rule. Next, I will take second one. Evaluate cos theta minus sin theta. After that, sin theta into cos theta. This is one of the determinant where our job is to find the value. Correct? Solution. Let delta is equals to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta into cos theta. Correct? Then it implies delta is equals to cos theta into cos theta. Correct? What is the principle? Which is the principle is nothing but determinant of a matrix of order 2, AD minus BC. Cos into cos, minus formula minus. Here there will be minus sin theta into sin theta into sin theta. Then what happens? This value delta is equals to cos into cos is cos square theta minus of minus plus sin into sin becomes sin square theta. What is the result? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1 according to the identity. This result is 1. Therefore, delta is numeric equal to, or delta is equals to exact value, that is 1. After that, under exercise 4.1, we have one more problem, that is, I will take this polynomial, it is some monomials and some of the values are there. I call it as a 3. Evaluate x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. This is the one of the determinant. Our job is to find that value. Solution. Let delta is equals to x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, which is equal to x square minus x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. Correct? Are you followed or not? Once again, I have to check out this value A, B, C, D. AD minus BC. A, B, C, D. AD minus BC. Then what is the formula? Just to observe multiplication. X into x, x cube. X into x cube plus x square. Next, second one. X into x is x square. After that, minus x. Correct? X into x is x cube. After that, 1 into x square is x square. After that, x into x is minus x square. 1 into minus x is minus x plus x. X into 1 is x plus 1 into 1 is 1. Again you have to rectification. X square into x cube, x square into 1 is x square. Minus x into x is minus x square, minus x into 1 is minus x. 1 into x is x, 1 into 1 is 1. Then only it is correct. Minus x a minus b into a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. What is the value? A square minus b square. What is the value of a? That is x square minus 1. Bracket is compulsory because this value is greater than this value. This value is greater than this value means we have to subtract this value from this value. Which one is greater? This one is smaller, this one is greater. We have to subtract this quantity with the help of this. Therefore, this is a smaller quantity, we have to put the braces or brackets. After that, x cube plus x, sorry, here there will be some of the values get closed, elevated. Here also get closed. After that, x cube is the value, x cube. After that, plus 1 is there, plus 1, minus x square, minus of minus is plus 1, which is nothing but x cube minus x square plus 2. X square, x cube, minus x square plus 2. X cube minus x square plus minus plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. This is the value. Next, this is one more important value which comes across our category of 2 mark, sometimes 3 mark category. Just to observe the question. Observe the question. If a is equal to, example, if a is equal to 1422, then show that determinant of 2 times of a, which is equals to 4 into determinant of a. 4 into determinant of a. Determinant of 2 times of a is nothing but determinant of 4 into determinant of a. Solution, which is also important problem, or that's 2 mark or sometimes 3 mark category question it is. What you have to find out? Show that 2 times determinant of a, or sorry, determinant 2a. Determinant 2a is equal to 4 into determinant of a. Determinant 2a is equal to 4 into determinant of a. Given a is equal to 1422. 2 times a is equal to scalar multiplication 2 into 1422, which is equals to 2 into 1 is 2, 8, 2 into 2 that is 4, after 2 into 2 is that is 4, correct? 2, 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 4. Now determinant of 2a is equal to, this value becomes 2484, which is nothing but a, or I will write simple manner, 2 into 4 minus 4 into 8, which is nothing but 8 minus 32, which is equal to minus 24. 2 into 4 is 2 into 4 minus 4 into 8. 2 into 4 is 8. After that, 8 into 4 is 32, which is nothing but minus 24. Minus 24, 8. 24, 8 becomes 32. This is the LHS sign, algebraic equation number 1. Now we are going to take determinant of a. Now determinant of a is equal to, determinant of a is equal to, determinant of a is equals to determinant of 1422, which is nothing but 1 into 2 1 into 2 minus 2 into 4, which is equal to 2 minus 8, which is equal to minus 6. Now 4 into determinant of A, which is equal to 4 into minus 6 is equal to minus 24. Quadratic equation number 2. Therefore 1 and 2, or from 1 and 2, determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. Determinant of 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of A. This is very important problem for the category of 3 mark. In the same time, we will move towards one more important question for the category of 3 marks, but order is 3 cross 3, but somewhere easy. But this solving question is very difficult, but our job is to find. I will take that question, correct? One by one. Important question. Example: if A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 4, then show that determinant of 3A, which is equal to 27 into determinant of A, 27 into determinant of A. Solution: given A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 4 A. 3 times of A is equal to 3 into value of A, 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 4, which is nothing but what? 3. Correct? Which type of multiplication? This type of multiplication you are studied in matrices topic, that is scalar multiplication. Each and every element of capital A by a non-empty or non-zero scalar. That is, scalar means number. 3 into 1, yes 3. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 0 is 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 4, that is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. After that, now determinant of 3A is equal to 300, determinant value, square bracket becomes lines. Yesterday you know it is 030 3612, which is equals to, or right here, which implies determinant of 3A, which is nothing but 3 36012 minus 0 into 06012 plus 3 into 0300, which implies 3 into 12 into 336 minus 0 into 0 minus 0 plus 3 0 minus 0, which is nothing but 36 into 3 becomes what? 36 into 0 becomes 108. This value determinant of 3A. Equation number 1. After that, our job is to find on the right hand side, that is determinant of A we have to find out. After that value you have to multiply with 27. Now determinant of capital A, which is nothing but 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 4. This is nothing but 1 into 1204 minus 0 into 0204 plus 1 into 0 1 0 0, which is nothing but 1 into 4 minus 0 minus 0 into 0 upright plus 1 into 0 minus 0. I will write directly, you know it is, which is nothing but 4, which is determinant of A. Determinant of A. Now, determinant of A is 4. Now, what you have to find out? Now, 27 into determinant of A. Correct? 27 into determinant of A, we have to find out. Now 27 into determinant of A is equal to 27 into determinant of A is nothing but 4, which is equal to 108. Call that equation number 2. From 182 determinant of 3A, which is equal to 27 into determinant of A. Similarly, dear students, look at the value. Here 3, there will be 27. Here there will be 2A, there will be 4 into A. Correct? What happens? 2A there will be 4, 3A there will be 27, 3A. Means, suppose I want to write one remark. Determinant of alpha A, note, determinant of alpha A is equal to alpha to the power n into determinant of A, where n is order of the square matrix. Order of the square matrix. This formula is important for competitive exams. Some CET questions which are based on this value. Determinant of alpha A, which is equal to alpha to the power n into determinant of A. Example. Alpha 2A is equal to 4 into determinant of A, where A is 2 cross 2 matrix. Order is 2. After that, example number 2, determinant of 3A is equal to 27 into determinant of A, where A is 3 cross 3 matrix. 3A, 3 to the power, correct? 3 to the power, alpha to the power n. Alpha is exactly alpha A. Looks like alpha to the power n. What is the power n? 2. Correct? This value is nothing but 2 square. This value is nothing but 3 cube. This value is nothing but 2 square, and this value is nothing but 3 cube. These are the some problems. Next, I will give you some of the questions. Next, evaluate the determinant. Fifth one, evaluate determinant. Evaluate the determinants. First one, 303 minus 1 0 minus 5 minus 2 minus 1 0. Second one, 3 1 2 minus 4 1 3 5 minus 2 1. Third one, 0 minus 1 minus 2 1 0 3 2 minus 3 0. Fourth one, 2 0 3 minus 1 2 minus 5 minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 1 0. These are some 4 problems will be there, but out of 4 I will solve only 2, but rest 2 are your homework. You have to do with the help of observing the videos. Just I will take these 2 are homework to you. These 2 are homework to you. I will solve solution number 1. Solution number 1. Let delta is equal to 303 minus 1 0 minus 5 minus 2 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 1 0. Solution, which is equals to 3 is common, 0 minus 1 0 minus 1 minus 5 0 minus 5 0 minus of minus 1, right? Why? Because minus, place is minus, element is minus, place is minus, yes, agree, element is minus 1, keep the bracket. After that 0 minus 1 3 0 3 0, correct? This value get eliminated. This eliminate means this you have to eliminate, this you have to eliminate. 0 minus 1 3 0. After that plus into minus 2 positive value, that is 0 0 0 0 3 minus 5 0 0 3 minus 5. Then our simple calculation, AD minus BC, 0 minus 5, correct? Minus 5 into minus 1 becomes minus formula, minus of minus becomes plus 1 or plus 5, correct? 0 into 0 0 minus, there are 3 minuses, minus of minus plus, plus into formula minus, that's 5 minus, minus of minus plus 1 into 0 minus of minus plus 3 plus minus 2 0 minus 0 0 minus 0, which is equals to 3 minus 5 3 minus 5 plus 1 into 3 minus 0, which is the minus 15 plus 3, which is equal to minus 12. 5 into 3 becomes 50, minus 15 plus 3 becomes minus 12. Minus 12 is the delta value, correct? I will take another example, that is example number 2, but rest 2 you do it as homework or you take it as homework. Second one says, I will take a second number, solution, let delta is equals to 3 1 2 minus 4 1 3 5 minus 2 1 5 minus 2 1. Next, which is equal to 3, you take it as 1 minus 2 3 1 1 minus 2 3 1 minus formula minus, again there will be minus, correct? This I have to eliminate. 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 2 1 1 minus 2 2 1 plus 5 into 1 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 1 1 2 3 3 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 3 1 minus this value 1 minus 2 2 1 plus 5 1 1 2 3, which is equal to 3 1 1 into 1 minus of minus 6. Just to observe, why? Because 1 into 1 is 1, here minus, element is minus, formula is minus, 3 into 2 becomes 6, 6 into minus, minus 6 into minus, it is plus 6, minus of minus plus 4, after that 1 plus 4, 2 into 2 plus 4 plus 5, after that 3 minus 2, 3 is the 3 minus 2, which is nothing but 3 into 7 plus 4 5 plus 5 into 1 into 1, which is nothing but 21 plus 20 plus 5. What is the value? 20 21, that is 41 plus 1 5 becomes 46. Answer is 46, but rest follows automatically. You have to observe both the values and analyze it once again and solve the answers. After that, I will take some examples. It is find example. If A is equal to 1 2 5 1 1 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 9, find determinant of A. Solution, determinant of A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 1, 1, 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 9, which is equal to 1, 1 minus 3, 4 minus 9, minus 1 into this value, 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9, correct? 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9, plus into minus 2 into 2154, 2154, 2154, which is nothing but 1 into 9 into 1 minus 9 plus 12 plus 12. Why? Because plus 12, here there will be minus, formula minus, minus of minus becomes plus. 9 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 18 plus 15 plus 15 minus 2 into 8, 4 into 8 minus 5, minus 5, which is nothing but 1 into 3, 12 minus 9, correct? 12 minus 9 is 3, minus 1 into 18 minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 into 8 minus 5 is 3, which is nothing but 3 plus 3, 3 into 1 is 3, 1 into 3 is 1 into 3 is 3, minus 1 minus plus 3, minus 6. After 3 get closed, which is nothing but 0. Delta is 0. Delta value is 0. It may be 0, right? Delta never a number, but it may be a 0, or it may be a negative value, it may be positive value, it may be some functions, or it may be some polynomial, or it may be some monomial. That's why usually determinant is a number. After that, most important questions, very important for example purpose. Find x. If first one 2, 5, 4, 1, which is equals to 2x, 6, 4x, 2x, 4, 6x, which implies solution 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5, 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5, which is equal to 2x into x, 2x into x minus 4 into 6, which implies 2 into 1 is 2 minus 20, which is equal to 2x into x, 2x square, 2x to x square minus 24, which implies minus 18, correct? 20 minus 2 minus 18, which is equal to 2x square minus 24, which implies 2x square minus 24 plus 18 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 24 plus 18 is equal to 0, which implies 2x square, which is equals to minus 24 plus 18, that is minus 6. Go to the right hand side and become plus 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are, which implies x square is equal to 3. X square is equal to 3, which implies x is equal to plus or minus root 3, plus or minus root 3. X square is equal to 3, x is equal to plus or minus root 3. Next one. I will solve all the 4 problems just to work out in your notebook. That's enough. Okay, the second one. 2, 4, 3, 5, which is equals to x 2x 3, 5. Solution 2 into 5 minus 3 into 4, AD minus BC, which is equal to x into 5 minus 3 into 2x, which implies 5 into 2 10 minus 12, which is equal to 5x minus 6x. Correct? 5 into 10, 12, 5x, 6x, which is nothing but minus 2, which is equal to minus x. What is the value of x? X is equal to exactly 2. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Then you have one problem, that is from the objective question. It may ask directly find the value of x. That's why I will solve that problem very carefully. 8th question, that is if x18 2x, which is equal to 618 to 6, then x is equal to first one 6, b plus or minus 6, c minus 6, d 0, d 0. Solution x18 2x is equal to 618 to 6, which implies x into x minus 2 into 18, which is equals to 6 into 6 minus 2 into 18. This is nothing but x into x is x square minus 36. After that, 36 minus 36. Both are 36. 6 into 6 is 36. 2 into 18 is 36. Both are close. It implies x square is equal to 36. Which implies x is equal to plus or minus 6. Therefore, answer B is the correct option. Dear students, let's stop the class. Why? Because we are solved first exercise, that is 4.1. We are clear. In the next class, you are going to take one of the important concepts, that is area of a triangle, because properties of determinant will be there in your textbook, but that portion will be deleted by the PU board. Therefore, I move towards one of the important concept under determinant, that is area of a triangle. That is very important for the knowledge purpose as well as competitive exam purpose as well as our board exam purpose. Thank you.